Cooking done right, make the perfect meals with the help of the Range Kleen BP106X 2-piece heavy-duty porcelain broil and bake pan. Whether it is broiling meats to perfection or baking dishes, cook with ease with this 2-piece utensil. Made from high-quality materials, heavy-duty porcelain on steel grill and base, this USA-made set is safe for use for up to 1025 degrees Fahrenheit and has OEM, original equipment manufacturer, quality. Good features for broiling and baking. The grate of the grill allows fat drippings to drain away from meats. The Range Kleen BP106X is suitable for use on an outdoor grill and perfect for fish, meats and veggies. Cook and clean with ease. The materials are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. A welcome addition for any kitchen. Dimensions: 12.75 by 8.5 by 1.325. The broiler pan can be used as a baking dish. Made with space-age Kleen Koat porcelain, this broil and bake pan is stick-free for easy cleanup and dishwasher safe. Make the perfect meals with the help of the Range Kleen BP106X 2-piece heavy-duty porcelain broil and bake pan. Perfect for campers, boats, select toaster ovens, outdoor grills, and smaller ranges. This kitchenware is also ideal for cakes, desserts, lasagna, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Really good quality. Much better than I expected. Surprisingly heavy, this is not thin cheap steel. The trick to cleaning this is to spray Dawn Power Wash on it, let it sit and 99% of the hardened mess comes off with no scrubbing. Cleans up well in the dishwasher. One thing to be aware of: the coating is slippery, so use 2 hands when removing from the oven. I was used to using one hand with my old pan and almost dropped chicken all over the place. It's not an issue, just use care until you are used to it. Mine did not have any damage, but Amazon's packing was terrible. It only comes in a cardboard sleeve and a plastic bag. Amazon threw it in the box with no padding as usual. I was lucky, I guess, but it appears that the corner damage people have experienced is more a function of Amazon's poor packing practices and isn't a manufacturing defect. Well worth the money.